I've got to go to Rader to go and sort out some wheels, the S15 wheels and the RS4 wheels. We can't be at two places at the same time.
I'm drifting again, innit?
You ready?
I'm ready to leave it here, yeah?
Yeah, just leave it there, mate.
We are back again.
We are.
Where we at?
Where we are?
Where we at?
We're at Rader International. We've come back to see Ryan because the RS4 wheels that Lee had his pants pulled down when he bought them from Birmingham.
Which you did arrange.
I did arrange, but I've not seen him in person.
You told me to go and pick the wheels up. You never told me to check them out.
So you wouldn't afford to. You wouldn't afford to
Look,
just.
they're a bit bent and a bit knackered up. Well, there's 700 notes. So anyway, forget that. We're in the shop here, the workshop, and we've got the RS4 wheel. Come and have a look at this. This is the bit that you don't know.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh.
That. So that's the discrepancy.
That's telling me that that's not perfectly round.
Right. So what that means is it's 8 out. 8 what? I don't know. But it's 8 something out. So now we've got the technical things out of the way. What I mean is it's your fault that these wheels are bent, right? Anyway, right, stop there, stop there. It's your fault, right? Let's just go with that. But, Ryan, there he is. He's the professional Rader. He's even wearing a certificate. It's a small one, but still a certificate. That means he's the boss.
Although Lee has just completed his certification because he's sussed out how to turn the machine on and off. So that now basically means that he's fully qualified.
The thing is, I'm from Manchester originally, and this workshop is in Manchester, so I could get a job there. Because you have to be a Manc to work here, don't you? You can't have any Scousers here, can we? You can't have any Whittiers, no Scousers, no Stokies.
No.
Where are you from? He's from Iraq. Somewhere like that.
Where are you? Where are you from?
So the guy holding the camera is a weird Polish, Saudi Arabian something. That's not being racist, by the way, it's a fact.
Yeah, it's a fact, yeah.
Like that one. Obviously they've had previous.
All right.
See there, your edge has gone.
Yeah.
And it's gonna, obviously we've got to take this back. They're not ready 100% yet, so we've just the damage out and then painted it, but I'm gonna try and put that lip back in.
Okay.
So
wicked.
No,
so what you do then? Just get like flatten with
so
the
basically,
sander and
I'm gonna grind this
it.
out. I'm gonna grind it out a little bit to try and put the lip back in.
Yeah. You might get to 700 quid.
Oh yeah, maybe, yeah. Hold on a minute, half of that was yours.
No, nothing to do with me, mate.
So technically you're 350 quid deep in these. Quiz time for you guys at home, because we do things for you, keep you entertained. Means you've got to watch to the end of the video, because that's when we're going to tell you what these are off. What wheels are these off? What car? You know.
I think, are they like a really old school VW camper van? Is
like that.
Like some, you know,
I don't know. You're asking the wrong person.
Are they the 60s?
Go on, say it, when you were born.
Well, you were born way before the 60s, mate. Way before. There's fucking thingies going around like dinosaurs and shit.
So, I've asked the question, but I don't actually have an answer for it. I don't know, master. Just because of that shit.
If you look to where the dial gauge is touching, yeah?
Yeah.
So off and on there. So it's only one, but it's enough to cause a vibration. What I've done, I've measured it up, and from that point to this point is where it's in. So it's just over 4 mil.
That is quite a lot in wheel
It's quite
terms,
a lot,
isn't it?
yeah. And if you actually look at when it's going, it's enough to see a big gap.
Yeah.
When it's cold, there's a tendency it could crack.
Right.
So what we do is we put a bit of heat into it.
Yeah.
We've got a heat gun here, we can see how much heat goes into it. Probably throw around 200 degrees. That makes it a little bit pliable and we can move it then with these hydraulic arms. So it's as simple as finding the area on this side. So it's located right on where the heat is, and away we go. You have to be quite keen on the arm that works it. So this little arm here is your hydraulic arm that pushes it. There's nothing wrong with the front of that. It's got a little bit of something in, but nothing to worry about.
I thought it was going to get big hammer out. That's what I was hoping to see.
I didn't think it would be like as manual as it is. You know, when you put that in, I thought the machine would like try and straighten it out. No,
There is a machine out there that does straighten them for you. You have to set it up at like under 20 odd grand. You can't buy them direct. They come from the made in Turkey or somewhere, and they're a really good machine, but they just don't do them. They don't sell them in this country for some reason.
I suppose if you buy a machine like that, you've got to put your prices up.
Yeah.
And,
Oh yeah.
but you need to keep your prices down, don't you? Really,
Yeah,
for
of
us.
course.
Right, definitely don't be putting your prices up.
Bang on that.
Hey, literally, yeah.
That's alright, I only needed a few little love taps, you done it?
Well, you were laughing, I'm a bit concerned about that.
What I'm more concerned about is the fact that you're now good at love taps.
Right, well, yeah, you taught me well. I need my name on this hammer now. Get my own hammer. So is that all done now? They're all straightened out?
Yeah, they're done, faces,
Right, thank you.
raised, a lot.
Thanks a lot. Cheers.
Why are you sitting down like you've got
Because I'm dead happy with what I've done on the wheels.
a broom up your arse? You're not wanting to get your new
No,
coat
because
dirty?
it's dusty on the back.
Your new coat,
Yeah.
new coat dirty.
Is it bad? Yeah.
It's fine.
Right, hold on a minute. Sit on the chair.
No, I don't want it. Okay, I'm going to throw up now.
Well, we just thought you might be interested in how a wheel's straightened out. I've never seen it done before.
No, I haven't.
So they said that they've done way worse, literally like so much.
Yeah.
Give a bit of a tap.
Little bit of a love tap.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you, missus, now you're fully qualified in love tapping.
Well, that's it. So see you later. Come on. We're back at Rader today. We've got the S15 wheels, the split rims, they're getting painted. The RS4 wheels, they're getting done as well. So we're running through twice and they'll just come out a better finish. We're doing this off camera, like without any goggles, but the proper job's being done with goggles. So,
Serious face.
yeah, we are safe here. So basically what's just happened there, Ryan said he wants to do it properly, so the mint wheels, but it's going to take a lot longer. So we said, look, it's only a track car,
Crack on with it, we've got places to be.
yeah, we're going to put some more coats on, and then that's going to fill in the gaps, not these coats, or that one, even though that's available at eaglegt.com. Very cheap prices, well they're not very cheap.
They're not cheap prices,
No,
no.
they're very good quality.
They're good. Where's your PPE? Where's your health and safety equipment?
Carry powder coating instead. So that's done now, the wheels are done, see you later. We'll show you them on the next video because obviously we've got to dry off and stuff, and we're waiting on the rubber actually. The rubber's going to be here whenever next week.
Yeah, Nick, Monday. Well, I've also got to go and get my car back in Warrington because he's about to lock the car park.
Right, so thanks for watching. See you
Cheers,
next time.
merch.
So like we said, we're going to tell you what these are off. So it's a
Porsche 911 Carrera, yeah.
964.
964, yeah.
Right.
I think it's a 78. They came to us, they were destroyed. They looked like they'd lived in a field for 20 years. To be fair, it's a pleasure to put stuff like that, back to as original as we can.
Yeah, I said master.